Subscribe to this channel. It's Threads at YouTube.
He came to light as a gully DJ, but is now flexing independently and making noises about Movado.
My biggest issue is him don't have an art. He's artless. He's artless.
Doesn't this happen in every crew? At some point the crew members fall out?
Yeah, but with this now, this is downright disrespect. You understand what I say? Downright disrespect. And I'm not about to take that because I have my fans that look up to me.
Might Movado say that you needed to keep up with the rest of the crew and maybe you weren't keeping up?
I need to keep up. He need to keep up. You understand what I say? Me, there was no point there was no need for me to keep up. You understand? I'm always there, I'm always a perform on the show them. I'm always being there doing my songs. It's just that everything was all about him. Alright, make a long story short. Just go up on the Gully Squad website and see who you see. Movado alone. Go up on artists and see who you see. Movado alone. This Gully Squad thing is just a ploy for him to make money. Him no business with nobody out of Gully Squad. Nobody at all. If you say ANG, you can name every artist out of ANG. If you say Alliance, you can name every artist out of Alliance. Go in a Gaza camp. You name every artist out of Gaza camp. Who in a Gully Squad? Movado and Julian alone. You understand? So where's my future? Where's my business? Oh, me I go eat food. All my kids them I go eat food. Oh, I own alone for eat food. Oh, Flex not for have nothing. Oh, alright then. So me sign my contract with Appelos Entertainment. So at that cause the whole vibes cause me not for have no bima. Me not for have nothing. Me not for look clean. That are the whole thing. I him alone for have everything. So up till this day, we don't have a verbal confrontation. And we never say, yo, this or that in front of one another face yet. Everything is just a whole hype. And who a God from who and a God, but a one God me fear. And a one God me know.
Subscribe to this channel. It's Threads at YouTube.